Hello children, today we are going to see Standard 8 Science Chapter 1 Crop Protection and Management. Children, as the topic concerned, we are going to learn what is crop protection, how are the crop produced in the farms, the material used in crop protection and how to manage it. Okay children, to start with, we all eat food every day. For why we eat food? What is the need of eating food? The answer you all know it. So, we eat food to get energy, for growth, to be alive, to repair our body, proper functioning of the body. These can be the reasons why microbes. These are friends of the farmers. And they further loosen the soil and add humus to it. You all know that soil contains minerals, water, air and some living organisms. Soil contains minerals, water, air and some living organisms. And in addition, dead plants and animals get decomposed by soil organisms. In this way, various nutrients in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. The nutrients are again absorbed by plants. So, the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. This is done by using a plough. These plough are made of wood or iron. These plough are made of wood or iron. These ploughs are made of wood or iron. The plough field may have big clumps of soil is called crumbs. It is necessary to break the soil crumbs to get better yield. To break the clumps, plough, hoe and cultivators are used. Before sowing seed, manure should be mixed with the soil to get a better crop. Now, let us see some of the agricultural implements like plough, hoe and cultivator. Now, let us see one by one. First one, plough. This type of plough is being used since ancient times. It is made of wood and drawn is by pair of bulls or other animals. It is used for tilling the soil, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds and turning the soil, and it is very easy to operate as the days went on. It is replaced by iron plough. Next, let us see hoe. This is another simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one end of the long rod of wood or iron. It is also pulled by animals. Next, we see about cultivator. To save the time and labor, the ploughs were replaced by cultivator. Cultivators are pulled by tractors. So by using cultivator, we can loosen the soil rapidly and do more of the land. That means in less time we can till or plough more area of the land. Okay children, so far we have seen about the preparation of the soil. Now let us see sowing. It is an important part of crop protection. So a good quality green healthy seeds should be used to get more crop. So how to find out good seed? Let us see. Take a glass and fill with water. Now put some seeds into the glass and stir well. Now what happens? The damaged seeds will float on the surface of the water and healthy seeds will sink into the water. This is how we check the quality of the seeds. Now let us see the tools for sowing seeds. First, traditional tool. This tool is used for sowing seeds. Is like a funnel shape. So this funnel is filled with seeds and passed down through pipes having sharp ends. These sharp ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. The next tool used for sowing seed is seed drill. This seed drill is operated with the help of tractors. This drill shows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth and also covers the seeds with the soil. Using this type of seed drill saves the time and labor. While sowing seeds, it is important to give appropriate between the seeds to avoid overcrowding of plants. Only then these plants will get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil, give good crop. Now let us see the next step in the process of cultivation, that is adding manure and fertilizers. What is meant by manure and fertilizer? The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. As we human beings need minerals, nutrients to grow, capacity and replenish the soil with nutrients. Now let us see differences between fertilizer and manure. The first point of fertilizer. Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt. For example, like urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, these are man-made inorganic salt. Then first point of manure. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Like for example, animals dung and plant wastage, kitchen wastage, these are manure natural substances. The second point, fertilizer is prepared in factories. A fertilizers means already I said urea, ammonium phosphate, is these are preparing in the factories. Second point, manure can be prepared in the field. Means already I said cattle dung, plant wastage, we are preparing the substance. Third point of fertilizer, does not provide any humus to the soil. Third point of manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fourth point of fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Fourth point of manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Children, today's session is over. Your homework, the digest question number 5, answer the following questions in one sentence from 1 to 14. What is NPK fertilizers? Still you have to write the answers and learn them also. Thank you.